Hi everyone, welcome back to Better with Bridgetta. Today I'm making meatball bake, but first I'd like to thank Amber with Feeding the Birds because I got this recipe from her and it looked delicious. What you're going to need is green onions, parsley, Parmesan cheese, meatballs, which I made myself, but you could also use frozen, mozzarella cheese, which of course I'm going to shred, and you're going to need Pillsbury Grand biscuits, and either pizza sauce, spaghetti sauce, marinara sauce, whatever your favorite is. Our first step is we're going to open our biscuits. Hey, got it on the first try. All right, we're only going to use half the package. I'm cutting the recipe in half because it's just going to be marking myself. So there's 4, and we're going to cut those into eighths. It's like cutting a pizza. Okay, we're going to add them to our bowl. Of course, you could use the scissors and cut them, or a pizza cutter. That would be good too. All right, we're going to add our sauce, which of course you can make your own. We want to make sure they're coated. Okay, we're going to set those aside for just a moment. And we're going to bring our pan. You want to grease this lightly just so everything doesn't stick. You can use any kind of dish. I thought using cast iron was a great idea because that's what Amber did. And you want to coat this. All right, we're going to spread those out so that there's, some in every bite. Oh, that looks good. We're just going to nestle them in there. Now, the number of meatballs you use might vary depending on the size. So I'm just going to use my scissors and add some green onion. A little extra taste. All right, then we're going to add Parmesan cheese. All right, mozzarella cheese. Again, the quantities are suggestions. Add more or less as you see fit. And we're going to finish it off with some fresh parsley on top. Then it's going to go in the oven. That's it. Or you could tear it, chop it with the knife. Okay, I think I want a little more. All right, I think that looks great. All right, now it's going to go in the oven. Now it's time for the best part. We're gonna taste it. Oh, look at that cheese pull. There you go.
Thank you.
I've already got some on my plate. And although the recipe is going to be in the description box, I'm also going to include my recipe for the meatballs, because they're definitely worth trying. Wow.
Yum.
I like it in the cast iron pan.
Something new and different and delicious.
And fast. So I like that. And you will too. Give this recipe a try.
It's good.
So we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye.